Sermon number 202. On the occasion of the burial of Sayyidatun-Nisa, Fatima, peace be upon her, while addressing the Holy Prophet at his grave. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A Prophet of Allah, peace be upon you from me and from your daughter who has come to you and who has hastened to meet you. A Prophet of Allah, my patience about your chosen daughter has been exhausted, and my power of endurance has weakened. Except that I have ground for consolation in having endured the great hardship and heart-rending event of your separation. I laid you down in your grave when your last breath had passed, when your head was between my neck and chest. Verily we are Allah's, and verily unto him shall we return. Now, the trust has been returned and what had been given has been taken back. As to my grief, it knows no bounds, and as to my nights, they will remain sleepless till Allah chooses for me the house in which you are now residing. Certainly, your daughter would apprise you of the joining together of your people, for oppressing her. You ask her in detail and get all the news about the position. This has happened when a long time had not elapsed and your remembrance had not disappeared. My salutation, salam, be on you both, the salam of a grief-stricken, not a disgusted or hateful person, for if I go away it is not because I am weary of you, and if I stay it is not due to lack of belief in what Allah has promised the endurers.